Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where fuses relays for the HVAC system are located, we'll be working two different fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. Also, if you need to buy parts tools at a good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the information in the video with you guys. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the HVAC system, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Charger right here guys. The first thing that we need to do, we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood, you may have a V6, V8 engine facing the car. On the left side of the engine is your fuse box. See these two tabs, push them together. Pull the cover up, and underneath guys you have the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the HVAC system, which fuses relays we need to check, multiple ones, you may have all of them or some of them depending on which model year you have as well. Coming in that row of fuses, the little ones here, okay, that's fuse number now 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 is the first one you need to check. After that you will need to locate fuse 39 right here. Okay, you need to check that one. Next guys, okay, we need to check some other things, but they're in a different fuse box in the trunk. Open the trunk, and when you open the trunk, here lift the carpet liner up. Underneath we have the spare tire, that's the car battery, and behind it is the main trunk fuse box. That's a closer look of that fuse box. Squeeze the tabs together, pull the cover out, you have that layout here. What we need to check specifically here, a few fuses and relays. One of the fuses is fuse number 15, that 40 amp fuse, that's for the blower motor fan. After that you need to check fuse 32. So if you look at that row of fuses, this one is 31, the one right next to it, it's barely visible, but it's a 15 amp fuse. The next fuse next to that 25 amp fuse, the second fuse practically in that row, is fuse 32 that you need to check, and we need to check that's fuse 53 right here. Check that one too. Also, in addition, okay, you will need to check relay 71 right here guys. Check that relay. Those are the main things that we need to check for the HVAC system, fuses and relays. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.